Ford key fobs typically use a CR23-2 or CR2025 3-volt coin cell battery, but verify based on your model year. The positive side, marked with a plus, faces up during installation. To replace the battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently open the fob case without causing damage. Wearing anti-static gloves is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, ESD damage. Check Ford's VIN decoder app to confirm battery compatibility for your specific Ford model, Focus, Explorer, Transit, etc. Battery lifespan is generally 1 to 2 years. Note that post-2020 models may require proprietary tools for opening. Carefully pry open the key fob case using your tool. Some fobs have a release button or slit for easier access. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 or CR2025 battery with the plus side facing up. Reassemble the fob case, ensuring it's securely closed. Resync the fob with your vehicle via the driver's door or Ford Pass app, involving cycling the ignition or pressing buttons in sequence. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the vehicle multiple times to confirm it's working correctly. If issues persist, consult your Ford Owner's Manual or the Ford Pass app for troubleshooting. Improper swaps account for 10% of key fob failures.